Hey guys, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I want to share with you what I created for the Sweet Shop Swap. It's being hosted on Instagram by Cassi and Carmen Q. I want to say that they both have YouTube channels, but I know that they both are on Instagram, so I will have that information linked down below. We were partnered in groups of three, and I was partnered with Wendy, who is Glued with Love, and also Patrice, who is Tracy's Crafty Life. They both are on Instagram, and I believe that they both have YouTube channels as well. We had to create 6 sets of 2 embellishments, and we also had to create an embellishment book to house the embellishments in. So let me go ahead and just jump right into it. The paper that I used is called My Candy Girl, and it is by Bella Boulevard. And I want to say that I ordered this paper from scrapbook.com. But anywho, it's a really cute paper and really fun with lots of bright colors to play with. So this is the book that I did. Oh, the embellishment book was, I used the embellishment book from, I forgot her name, I am so sorry, but I will have her name linked down in the description box as well to give her her props for this. But this is the embellishment book that I did. I love the way that it turned out. And you see I have cake, cake, cake here. And this is a cut. I love the way that this turned out. I want to say that this is from my scrap, not my scrapbook. This is from My Scrap Chick, I believe. This embellishment here. So, so cute. And this is the side here where I have a little, a little dangle here. So, so cute. And I did not make this dangle. This was gifted to me, oh my goodness, a few years ago. And this is just shows you how long I hoard stuff. But this was gifted to me maybe about 3 or 4 years ago. And this is the back, created by Tracy, TYS Creates. And it's pretty chunky. I actually didn't think it was going to be this chunky. So let me just go ahead and open it up and show you what it looks like in the inside. So this is the first embellishment, and I cut this out with my Cricut machine, but I want to say that this actual cup came from Barely Arts, I want to say. And the rosette that's on top, this was gifted to me by Sam. And Sam and I, we swap on a regular basis. So it went perfectly on this little coffee cup here, or this Frappuccino cup here. And I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And I just want to give you a better look at that cute little embellishment that Sam gifted me. Again, just went perfect on top of this cut here. Super cute. And the next page, I just did some cutouts from my Cricut machine. You see that it has cake here. And I just did some trim with this paper clip to hold it in. And then this is another cake here. Super cute. I love that cake. Turn it over. I have some bag toppers here. I was actually going to decorate these, but I decided that I wasn't going to use them. But since I cut them out, I decided to go ahead and add them in the book. So this would be something that they could decorate themselves. Now, this is not part of the embellishment. This is just something extra. So these are the bag toppers that I decided to use and to decorate. And I only have one in the book. This is the other one. I love the way that they turned out, and the book was getting so chunky. That's the reason why I didn't put the second one in, but of course I am including it. But this is how this one looks. And this is a cut from my Cricut machine here. these little embellishments in my stash. And these are little beads that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. So cute. And this is the other one. Oh my goodness, sorry about that glare. It says sweets here. Again, those are purchased from Hobby Lobby. And then on the next 2 pages, I have some cupcakes and some donuts. So let you take a look at these cupcakes. I put some glitter on top of it to give it a little extra oomph. And then these are my donuts. I love how they turned out. Super, super cute. Turn over to the next page. Here is my other coffee cup, or my frap cup. Again, this embellishment here was gifted to me by Sam, and it went perfectly on top of my cup. I love how that turned out. And then I have some ice cream here, some bowls of ice cream. Super, super cute. And then I put an extra cake in here. I think I put more cakes in here than I should have, which extra is always good. But no, I didn't. I think that's the other one. Okay, so yeah, that's right. 2 cakes here. This was just an extra page here, so I just put some tags in here for them to embellish. Some more cutouts from my Cricut machine that says from the kitchen, and then some extra donuts here. And so that is the end of it. I absolutely love how this turned out, and I hope that my partners like it as well. Again, I will have that information linked down below for Carmen and Cassie, also for my partners as well. Hopefully I don't forget to do that. So thank you guys so much for watching. You know that I definitely appreciate it. You guys have a great crafty day. Until the next video. Bye-bye.